My man's Ed say, hey Rob, man, put me on. And when you put me on, turn me on. So I was like, all right, we're gonna turn you on, man. This one's for you, Ed. This one's for you, baby. Let me see what we got here. Oh yeah, I don't own the art rights to this song. Somebody might mute my shit, but it's okay. We're gonna put it out there. I see my man Dante McCall. He be saying I don't own the rights off from the bat. So hopefully,
show him a picture of Dante McCall.
Right there. Yeah, that way. So that way, you know, hopefully I won't get muted out. So you know, we just gonna run with that.
So, been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Yeah.
We ain't trying to get it.
Mona Lisa break a nigga into pieces. Had to ask some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive. I don't shop on Insta boutiques. All the little ass clothes only fit fake booties. Bad bitch, ain't no talking cash shit.
So we're gonna walk back on him. Give you a little bit of ass here. Put me on, Rob. So. So, you know, I think we good right here. So he over there smiling, you know, I think he agreed with what I'm saying, you know. We got a few houses on him, you know, it's just one amp. But we got, what, 4 9s, 4 6.5s, and some horn tweeters up in there. We ain't gonna show you what's all in the bag, but you know, it's enough to get him in the job, man. So, you know, nice and clear. So a lot of times it's all about what you're playing.
Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? Bitch, I'm a savage.
Like he said, I'm a savage. I didn't say Money Car Stereo was that, but we somewhere out there. Hey, man, Ed, man, come here, man. Come here, let me holler at you, baby.
Yes, sir.
Man, tell us your inspiration. I know a lot of people got a lot of questions of your color combination, but tell us your vision, man. What you got going here?
I just want to be different for somebody, man. You know,
He said he
I'm
want to
a
be
Buccaneer
different.
fan, man, so, you know, I just want to
Buccaneer.
show my little colors.
So,
man, you know,
so what you saying,
different.
it ain't finished yet?
No, it ain't finished. Our seat gonna be orange. A few more things gonna be chrome. Gonna be orange.
Yeah. Okay, y'all. You know, for those of y'all out there was questioning what was he going with here. Well, now y'all know. So we're going to be back on this round 2 when he finish him up so you can see how it turned out. So, man, what you thinking about, man?
I'm gonna try me some corners and act like a savage, boy. That shit sound nice.
I told you. That's why I picked that song, man.
I told you, once I do it right, I'm gonna bring it to you. I brought it to you, man. I'm happy.
Okay, for sure, man.
Man, I'm some corners, let y'all hear. Like he say, let you see what I see. I'm gonna let y'all hear what he hear.
Man, open that bag up, man, on that passion side, man. Show me what you got in that bag, baby. I'm saying, you know, you got to be official to get whatever. Man, bust it out the bag, man.
You know, we gotta pull it out the bag. I hate to mess it up, but I don't know how to fold it back. But
man, you need to put that on, baby. When you turn that corner, man.
I'm going browser, so you know I'm gonna have to slide. Let them know where it came from.
Official Money's Car representative right here. Big Ed in the house, baby. That's all we got to say. Money's Car Stereo. We keep putting them out. We got another one over there in the spot. That's what's next. This one's already out the door, but yeah, we gotta keep it happening. Like I said, we gotta go. We out of here. Yeah, so that's what I was saying. Clear.